Let's resin, let's fun. No one wants to put in hours of work only to have it ultimately go to waste. Whether you're molding for precision parts, artwork, or life casting, having the right material to work with is crucial. Silicone is arguably the best mold making material in the world, since it's superb at capturing details and has multiple curing options. With so many options available, how do you choose the right silicone for your project? Silicone hardness is measured using the Shore A scale, where higher values indicate greater firmness. Silicone materials typically range from 0A to 90A, with liquid silicone commonly falling between 10A and 30A, and solid silicone between 40A and 70A. Our Let's Resin silicone rubber is available in 0A, 10A, 15A, 20A, and 30A, each designed for these specific applications. To illustrate this concept, let's conduct a simple test using a hardness tester. By pressing different silicone samples, we'll observe variations in compressibility, elasticity, and softness. Generally, lower hardness equals greater flexibility, higher hardness equals better structural support. Now let's break down how different hardness levels impact mold making. The first is our 0A silicone rubber. It is ultra soft and highly flexible, suitable for creating molds up to 8 inches wide. This silicone rubber is highly compressible and flexible, making it suitable for applications that require soft, bendy, or stretchable designs. 0A silicone rubber is excellent at capturing the fine details of the original master mold, ensuring accurate reproductions with minimal loss of detail. Additionally, it provides good flexibility and elasticity, allowing cast products to be easily demolded without damage or deformation. This smooth and efficient demolding process is ideal for reproducing thin and delicate items such as bookmarks, refrigerator magnets, aluminum alloy jewelry, and picky pads. You can also make 3D models within 6 inches, which demold easier. Softer silicone rubber is easy to demold but has a short lifespan. They do not spring back well after a period of use, and it leads to torn and wobbly edges. At the same time, it will have weaker support, and it is not suitable for making taller or narrow molds, as it may lose shape when pouring resin into it, such as tall candles and ornaments. The second type is 10A silicone rubber, which is relatively soft and recommended for creating molds that are up to 8 inches wide. Compared to 0A silicone, 10A silicone has a slightly higher hardness and better compatibility. It also offers strong compressibility and elasticity, making it ideal for soft, bendy, and stretchable applications. Additionally, it can accurately replicate the fine details of the original model. Its hardness provides excellent flexibility and elasticity, allowing the master mold to be easily demolded safely. 10A silicone rubber is suitable for making molds for small crafts, such as ornaments, pendants, and thin but sturdy items, such as plaster, refrigerator magnets, inlay items, aluminum alloy jewelry, and 3D molds within 6 inches, etc. For the complex master mold, you may need to cut the silicone rubber to demold. This silicone is also softer, making it easy to demold. However, it is also prone to deformation and tearing with repeated use. Therefore, it is not recommended using this to create molds that are too thin. Additionally, it is unsuitable for making taller or narrow molds and will deform during the casting process. It is recommended that the mold height be controlled below 7 inches and the width above 2 inches, making it more stable. The third type is 15A silicone rubber, which is similar to 20A silicone rubber. It has a wide range of applications and is recommended for products with a width of 8 to 15 inches. This material is suitable for applications that require some softness while also providing a degree of support. Its appropriate hardness ensures excellent tear strength, wear resistance, and deformation resistance. As a result, it produces a durable silicone mold that can be reused without compromising its quality. This material is ideal for creating shallow items, including aluminum alloy jewelry, resin earrings, plaster pieces, and pendants. It can also be used to make single-piece molds for handmade soaps and candles. Additionally, it can produce 3D models up to 6 inches in size. For complicated master molds, it may be necessary to cut them for demolding. This material is also suitable for making 2-block molds for dice and plaster sculptures. 15A silicone is relatively hard, which may cause resistance during demolding. It is not suitable for replicating thin and fragile objects, as it could damage the master mold during the demolding process, such as fragile plaster and wood chips, etc. The fourth type is 20A silicone rubber. Like 15A silicone rubber, it has a wide range of applications and is suitable for products with widths ranging from 9 to 30 inches. For a detailed and sturdy master mold, 20A hardness silicone is recommended. This type of silicone captures the fine details of the original model, ensuring an accurate replica while providing good support for the mold. The appropriate hardness results in excellent tear strength, wear resistance, and deformation resistance, producing a durable silicone mold that can be reused without compromising its quality. This silicone rubber is ideal for duplicating more shallow objects, such as aluminum alloy jewelry, resin earrings, plaster items, pendants, and so on. It is also suitable for creating single-piece molds, including handmade soaps and candles, and can be easily used to make 3D molds. Compared to 15A silicone rubber, this option provides better support as it has a higher hardness. For more complex master molds, demolding will be challenging, and it may be necessary to cut the silicone for easier demolding. If you aim to replicate an intricate item, it's better to make a 2-block mold, such as plaster sculpture and resin ornaments. It is also relatively hard and will have resistance during the demolding. It is not suitable for replicating thin and fragile objects, as it could damage the master mold during the demold process, like fragile plaster and wood chips, etc. The fifth type is 30A silicone rubber, which is suitable for widths ranging from 9 to 30 inches. This harder silicone offers improved durability and support, making it particularly beneficial for large or complex casting projects that require structural integrity. It is also capable for thicker master molds. This material is ideal for replicating flat items such as aluminum alloy jewelry and pendants. It is also well suited for creating single-piece mold for handmade soaps or candles. The material can easily replicate 3D models with simple and short shapes, making it perfect for producing 2-part molds. Additionally, it can be used to replicate a wide range of handicrafts, including dice, sculptures, plaster, concrete molds, and industrial parts, regardless of their size. When compared to silicone rubber with a lower hardness, 30A silicone rubber demonstrates relatively lower elasticity. This makes it more difficult to bend or stretch, and it may also exhibit weak tear resistance. If the master mold is high and has a complex shape, demolding can be quite challenging and may require cutting. Using excessive force to remove the mold could result in tearing and damage, so it's advisable to create a 2-block mold. Additionally, if the master mold is thin and fragile, it is prone to damage, such as fragile plaster, wood pieces, exaggerated detailed plaster or sculptures, etc. As you can see, selecting the right silicone hardness is crucial to achieving high-quality, reusable molds. Softer silicones, 0A to 10A, capture intricate details but have limited support and lifespan. Mid-range silicones, 15A to 20A, offer a balance of flexibility and durability. Firmer silicones, 30A plus, provide excellent structural integrity but require careful demolding techniques. When choosing silicone for your project, Please make sure to consider the size and shape of your mold, the material of your master model, the intended application, and the frequency of use. So yes, when it comes to choosing the right silicone rubber, it really depends on what you need it for and for the conditions it'll be used in. Just keep in mind that the pros and cons we talked about aren't set in stone. They just compare to other materials and specific situations. I hope you found this video helpful. If you've got any questions or need anything clarified, feel free to drop a comment below. So bye for now. See you next time.